Yo, what's up? So, for today's video, tayo ay mag-unbox ng ating in-order galing Baguio. So, yan, kape-kape muna tayo bago mag-unbox. So, yan, buksan na natin yung box. Mga pala ay pinadala through LBC. I think 2 days to bago dumating. So, first plant is the string of spade. So, freebies ata yan, freebies. So, next plant is actually mga plants talaga na pinadala niya is that yan, nakapot. So yan, string of actually silver glory, string of hearts din yan pero ibang version. So yan, check kung tama ba or walang sira. And then the next one is yung variegated na string of hearts. So ganda yan, chocolate, sira. So next one is yung yan, actually yan yung hook na pang sabit. And the next one is the string of spade. So maganda rin yan guys. So lahat nga pala ng order ko guys is string of hearts. Yan, mga string of hearts, iba't ibang version lang, iba't ibang klase lang. So next one is string of hearts din, pero ito yung hindi variegated yan. O, diba? Ganda-ganda niya. Tapos, i-check ko ulit yan kung walang damage. Well, actually, wala naman damage lahat ng mga plants. So, yan. Tapos na. And, i-repot ko na din yan, guys. So, yan. Pabilisin na nga natin at parang tapos agad yung ating pag-repot. Repot ng mga plants. So yan. Alright, so tapos na tayo mag-repot. So yan na guys yung ating mga plants. Ang gaganda nila guys. So goodbye now.